Hello everyone, my name is Mina Irfan and I'm a wealth, relationship, and soul mentor. Today we're talking about how to use the activated feminine voice to inspire and motivate people. So we've talked about previously about having a very embodied voice. As you guys know, I used to suffer from anxiety and panic attack in my teens and early 20s. And so I had a very disembodied, fast-paced voice. If you don't believe me, you can check out some of my older YouTube videos. I've been on YouTube for 9 years. And so you can really see how fast I used to speak. Since then, I've gotten a lot of voice training and embodiment practice, and I have completely changed the way that I use my voice and sound vibration. So a powerful feminine voice is all about being appropriate for the situation, right? When you're in the bedroom with your partner, you're going to want your bedroom voice, which I teach inside the Feminine Voice Mastery Program. And when you're at home, when you're in your feminine energy, you're going to want to be speaking from your womb space, very embodied in the womb space, and the voice is coming from the depth of your soul, okay? And that's very calming and very heart-centered, and it helps you connect to people heart to heart, soul to soul. Now, when you're in your feminine leadership, you're going to want to have a very activated voice. And that activated voice that really empowers and activates people comes from your solar plexus. It comes from your own personal power, from you owning your power, from you owning in your truth, from you not putting a mask on and really letting everything shine the way that it is, being really authentic. Now, this isn't about oversharing. It's not about trying to fake connection by trying to fake being relatable, right? I see people doing that sometimes where it's like oversharing or thinking that that's being vulnerable. Being truly vulnerable is being who you truly are without the trauma, without the false mask that we put on. And really that naturally comes and shines through when you've done your inner work, right? Because if you haven't done your inner work, if you haven't integrated all parts of you, then there's always going to be this like mask that you're wearing because you haven't completely come home to who you are. So if you're trying to activate people from that point of view, that can seem very inauthentic, it can seem very salesy, it can seem almost manipulative, and other people can sense that energy. So being a truly powerful feminine leader means you're standing in your truth, you're being authentic, and then yes, you may share stories of things that you have honestly been through and overcome, and it's from a place of your own personal power. So it's not about changing the tone of your voice artificially. That can be very irritating to other people's nervous systems, and it can come across very forced and fake, but it's really truly about activating those solar plexus and coming from that place of power, right? And this is one of those things that I talk about how coaching, being a coach is different from being a mentor. A coach is someone that's simply asking you questions and maybe reflecting back certain things that needs to be kind of pulled out of your own subconscious. A mentor is someone who's actually walked the walk. They have achieved the results that you are seeking, and they know all of the highs and lows and ups and downs of that journey because they have walked it themselves. So that person, a mentor, is really going to be able to activate you because they have been activated through that journey themselves, and they're standing in the next level that you want to be in. So I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions about how to use your activated feminine voice and being appropriate with that voice and using it in settings that are needed. So you don't want to use that with your husband because you're not trying to coach him or mentor him or activate him. You're going to be more embodied in your voice with your romantic partner. So if you want to learn more, go to theuniverseguru.com and sign up for my free masterclass, The $1 Million Babe. That masterclass retails for $397 and it's free right now for a limited time. I'll catch you in there. Love you so much. Bye.